Building your own alternative home is really the way to go. And I'm talking about not only alternative materials, but alternative lifestyles. Heck, building a house out of anything is, in fact, an alternative approach to getting a house. It cuts the bank out of enormous proportions of money, and without rent and mortgages, it frees you to live life the way you want to. And in these hard times where jobs are down and expenses are up, there's no better way than to build your own house and be free. Even now, you can prosper. You can find out about our online video courses and workshops, as well as our ecotourism. If you'd like to learn how to do this, or just come out and stay a night, a week, a month, and experience what it's like to live off grid in AIrCrete, learn about making your own food, designing your own solar power systems, everything. So come on over to tinygiantlife.biz and check us out. Also, check out the links in the description for more information and sign up for the email list to get lots of goodies.